different skin and hair condition and its food.
Acne breakout,
Eat cucumber, reduces the inflammation as well as cool the body.
brittle nails,
Eat sesame seeds, rich in plant-based calcium.
stubborn dark circles,
Eat drumstick, rich in iron and vitamin C.
losing hair,
Eat pumpkin seed, rich in zinc.
dry skin,
Eat soaked walnuts and almond, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E.